Hi there, Ashley from Nomisma here, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use CIS within the bookkeeping module of Nomisma. So when you're logged in, you'll need to go to your settings in the bookkeeping profile. And then within settings, you can select edit in the top right-hand corner and come along to sales/invoice, which is the second to last option. When you're on this page, you then have this option here to activate subcontractor CIS. And you can also select the rate of CIS that should be deducted in relation to CIS. So let's select, say, 20%. Once we have that, you can enter the payee tax reference number and click save. Once that's saved, you can go to the sales section. And when we add a new invoice now, we'll have the CIS column. So any nominal codes that have been added that are now subject to CIS, so a CIS item, let's do CIS labor, enter that in as standard rate for VAT, the ledger sales, service type, we don't need to worry about that because it's not in the EU, but let's click save. Now, when we go to CIS labor and enter a description, test, unit price £100, one quantity, it's working out that the total is £80. And that's because the subtotal is 100, but the CIS of 20. In this scenario, I've got no VAT, so I can see that the CIS is correctly deducted. By clicking save, it now shows that the net was £100, but there is CIS, so the amount due is £80. I hope this helps. If you do have any other questions or queries, please do get in touch. Our support team are always available Monday to Friday, 9 till 6 p.m. on 020-3021-2326, or you can email them at support@nomisma.co.uk. Thank you. Bye.